lentil pieces all on the bottom of my feet because he spilled some earlier. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a guest with us and you might recognize him because he was Employee of the Month for Custom Kicks last month. Welcome, Lucas. The other day I saw on social media that Kylie Jenner was making sugar cookies with Lucas. Kylie Jenner estaba haciendo galletas con su hija, but we're not gonna make sugar cookies. Vamos a hacer lentejas. Hoy Lucas nos va a ayudar a hacer lentejas. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get a big pot and we're going to fill it up with water. You grab your water and you put it on top of the stove on high. Since I'm not going to record it over there because it's a little bit hot, we're going to put all of the ingredients in this bowl. So Lucas, vamos a empezar con las lentejas, okay? No las toques, okay? I don't usually measure, you just listen and you hear your grandparents, your great-grandparents, anyone, you know, in your little ear, then whispering, hold on, and they tell you how much you put in. So the rule of thumb is for every cup you put 2 cups of water, but I just put as much water as I want. So, go ahead. Una. I'm just putting half cups right now. I don't really measure anything. You just always want to make sure that whenever this is in the... That's good. Maybe a little more. Okay. Thank you. Okay, ya no más. Vamos a cerrarlo. Again, we're going to just put all of the ingredients here and we're going to wash them. ¿Qué más tenemos que poner? ¿Vamos a ponerle una zanahoria? Sí. Okay. Now that you have, so let's just say for measuring purposes, we have a full cup and a half.
Zanahoria. Zanahoria.
Yeah, vamos a coger una zanahoria. So this is a pretty skinny carrot, so we're going to put 2 carrots. Vamos, espérate. Tenemos que decirles qué vamos a hacer, okay? Vamos, we're gonna peel the outside of the carrot. Quitarle esto. Mami lo hace, mami lo hace. ¿Quieres que tú lo hagas? Mira. Okay. ¿Sí? Ah, yeah. Good job. No, 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 no lo tires ahí. No, no, no. Ok. Entonces, diles cuántas zanahorias tenemos que poner en las lentejas.
1, 2.
2 zanahorias.
2 zanahorias.
Ok. Para las lentejas. ¿Qué más necesitamos?
Eso.
¿Y esto cómo se llama?
No sé.
Se llama ajo.
Ajo.
Y en inglés se llama garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic. So we're going to put 3 little teeth of garlic in there, maybe more. These are the sizes of the garlic that I'm using. Is it focusing? This is the size of the garlic that I'm using. Okay, tira la basurita en la basura, okay? O en el sink. Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you. Otra vez para abajo. You can chop up your garlic or you can use one of these garlic thingies. You can get them at Target or Walmart. So you put your garlic in here. It's really simple. Lentils is really easy to make. But since I really don't cook, this is one of the first things that I learned how to make. Now we just squish it. I have my garlic, lentils, and carrots in here. Ya que nos toca.
Apple.
Esto no es un apple. Esto se llama...
Una manzana.
Esto no es una manzana. Esto es una manzana. ¿Esto cómo se llama? ¿Tú sabes? ¿Cómo se llama? Tomate. Good job. Esto es un tomate. tomate. 1 tomato.
Tomato.
Good job. Y ya puedes tirar esos 2 tomates aquí. 1, 2. Thank you, sir. Now we have the tomato, the carrot, the garlic. This is caldo noor. I wish I had like the box so I can show you. And I put very little of this, okay?
Media cuchara.
Sí, media cuchara. Eso es mucho, eso es mucho. Ok, media cuchara. Ok, ese. Y una más, pero ese es mucho, eso es mucho, eso es mucho. Eso es mucho. No, mi amor. Mi amor, no. Now that we know that instructions aren't being followed, nos falta una cosa más. So I like lentils with white onions, but I only have green onions, which is totally fine. So just use whatever onions you have. Okay, ¿cómo se llama esto?
No sé.
I don't remember what this is called in Spanish. I always have a hard time with this word. Onions. I always want to say ajo. I usually put maybe 2 or 3 of these. ¿Cómo se llama esto, mi amor? I don't ever add this because usually I never have it, but today I do. So I'm gonna add some zucchini in the lentils. And because of the onion and the garlic, you can usually never taste it. Squash. No. Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Squash is amarillo. Okay, pon tu mano encima de la mía. Thank you. Corta. Corta, mi amor. Thank you. ¿Ya cuántos pedacitos son? Tú cuenta.
1, 2, 3, 4 y 5, 6.
Good job. Okie dokie. So this is how my bowl is looking, or our bowl is looking. Sorry, Lucas. I have lentil pieces all on the bottom of my feet because he spilled some
Y
earlier.
toca.
Shaky, 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 shake. Pero tienes que bailar si le vas a poner sal. ¿Ok? Lucas, ya lo vamos a poner en la olla, ¿ok? Now our pot is boiling. El agua ya está hirviendo. Okay, make sure to have your assistant very far away. Usually when I'm cooking, I just cut this up and start throwing it in there. But for the sake of this video, okay. My assistant is gone, but I'm gonna show you guys really quick. When it is bubbling like this, you can turn it down to medium right there. And I'm gonna put a lid on top of it and then it's gonna continue to bubble. So only put it on high while you wait for it to bubble. Hello. Yo me llamo Lucas.
Yo llamo Lucas.
Y yo tengo 2 años.
2 años.
Ok, pero tienes que decirles así para que te puedan ver. Yo me llamo Lucas.
Yo llamo Lucas.
Y voy a cumplir 3 años.
3 años. Y 2.
Oh my god. Luke is sleeping and now I have Mateo with us. This is how the lentils look right now. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in it. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to cook another 15 minutes. And then we're gonna take out all the veggies, blend them, put them back in the pot, and then let it sit for another maybe 15 minutes. And that's it. Go. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys really quick what my assistant is doing. He has a full bed right here that he doesn't want to use. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you make lentils at home. That's a lime.
Lime.
Okay. And diles adios. Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe. Make lentils. Tag me in your lentils posts. And I hope y'all have a great day.